A heat exchanger is a piece of equipment that transfers heat from one fluid to another without mixing the fluids. One of the most common types of heat exchangers found in industry is the shell and tube heat exchanger. The shell and tube heat exchanger is made up of a shell, tube bundle, a tube sheet, baffles, partition, and a channel head. The shell serves as a pressure vessel, housing one of the fluids, referred to as the shell side fluid, baffles and the tube bundle. The second fluid is passed through the tube bundle, referred to as the tube side fluid. The tubes and tube sheet prevent the tube and shell side fluids from mixing. Baffles support the tube bundle, keep the tubes separate, minimize tube vibration, as well as direct the flow of shell side fluid through the exchanger to maximize heat transfer efficiency. In a two-pass heat exchanger, the tubes are U-shaped, returning the fluid back to same side of the exchanger where it entered. The channel head houses a partition to separate the entering tube side fluid from the exiting tube side fluid. Shell side fluid enters the bottom of the exchanger and flows around the baffles, covering the tubes and filling the shell. Tube side fluid enters at the top of the exchanger, flows through the tubes and out of the bottom of the heat exchanger. Increasing the surface area by using more smaller diameter tubes, along with counter-current flow, maximizes the heat transfer between the two fluids. Heat exchangers come in many configurations, including some that have single or multiple passes, different liquid inlet and outlets locations, and variations to the tube bundle.